There we go. I am here today with Mark from Max Drapery Showroom Workroom. We are measuring windows and doors to develop the design for some custom drapery at my client's guest house casita. So Mark is here, he's doing the measure, that's how it all starts. Once Mark gets all these measurements, I will be meeting with the workroom owner to determine how much fabric to order, make decisions on all kinds of hardware finishes, sizes. These are going to be functioning drapes. So for those of you who wonder, why do custom window treatments cost so much? There's a lot of steps involved with custom window treatment. It's not just a matter of picking out a fabric and throwing it on the wall. So we have this bank of French doors we just covered, this small window here. Hello. We're going to decide whether we do one drape swag to the side or two drapes once we get all the measurements and do some math. So when you're designing, you definitely need to have a brain for geometry and math. It's not all just pretty colors, although pretty colors are definitely a part of it. It's also about understanding proportion and scale and what's going to work. This is the main living area of the guest house, and we're going to do functioning window drapes in here as well, in a different fabric than the bedroom we just left. And again, we have this bank of French doors opening out to a gorgeous green area. It's actually a putting green. Maybe they'll invite me back to play. I don't know. So this is how it all starts. Not so pretty, not so glamorous, but it's all a series of steps. So when you're doing custom window treatments, measuring is the most important part of this. So if you can't do it yourself, hire somebody who can, because if you spend all that time and money buying fabric, getting it developed, and then the measurements are wrong, and you have to try to fix it, at best, at worst, it's just not going to work. It makes sense to hire the pros. So one of the pros I work with, S Interior Design works with here in Scottsdale, Arizona, is Max Custom Draperies. And Mark is here today helping out with the very first step, the measuring. Now Mark is finished here in the bedroom. Hi Mark.
Hello.
And we're going to go into the main area. Now this is going to be a challenge. It's kind of, as you can probably tell, a bowed window, kind of a coved window. And Mark at Max Drapery also does custom hardware. So they're going to have to bend the hardware to conform to the wall so it looks seamless and beautiful. I'm very happy to say that I will be videoing it for install and the final product. Hopefully the flooring will be in by then. It's going to be a gorgeous wood floor. We haven't chosen which one yet, evidently. And we have fabulous furniture in order, fabulous rugs. It's going to be wonderful, and kind of trying to keep it garden themed and casual. I sure would want to be a guest here, especially once those window treatments are up. How about you, Mark? He wants to be a guest here too. Talk to you guys later.